What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be installing some hood shocks on this 2011 Hyundai Sonata. This is my car. Doesn't have to be this exact car if you're doing this as a generic video. Most hood shocks are the same. So first thing we got to do obviously is pop the hood, which we've done already. Once you get the hood open, just prop it open with a piece of wood. I've been using this pole for a little while. And what we're going to do first is disconnect our old ones. So the only thing holding these on is a little metal clip right here. So if you can get a flathead screwdriver in here, just pop that clip out. Doesn't have to come right off. And then you can pull your hood shock right off. These ones are completely worn, as you can see. There's nothing really left on them. Come over here, see if I can get a better shot. You either go from the top or the bottom. Just like that. Pops right off. Once you get your old ones out, always do a parts comparison. Make sure that they look the same. You can see that these ones have a bent, sort of an angled end on one side. The other side straight. You know, make sure they're at the same resting height. As you can see, these ones compress with no effort at all. These guys, I could probably stand on it and it might compress. So now on to the fun part, which is remembering which side goes on what. On these ones, it's going to be different with every car. But these guys, the straight in one on the bottom, and they just clip on. You don't have to expand that metal clip. All right, and then if your ends aren't lined up too, these can just twist. It takes a little bit of force, but they will. Now, I'm going to get both bottoms on first. There's my dog. Get the ends lined up, ready to go. And now the fun part. Try to do this one-handed. We're going to remove our other hood support. See if I can get these on with one hand. There we go. There's one. One's not enough to hold it up alone. And two. There we go. Now, first time closing the hood, just go easy on it. Make sure those aren't going to bind up. Lift it back up. Should be able to lift the hood up from about half swing, all by itself, and hold it there. Always double check your ends too. Make sure you got them all the way in. You never know. Last thing you want is this thing coming down on your head. That's it.